Dear Daily RV Life audience, welcome back to another informative video on our channel. Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of RV ownership, depreciation. Understanding how depreciation impacts your RV's value over time is essential to making informed decisions. Depreciation refers to the decrease in value that occurs as an RV ages and experiences wear and tear. Just like any other vehicle, RVs are subject to depreciation, but it's important to grasp the factors that influence this depreciation curve. Several key factors contribute to RV depreciation, including 1. Age. As an RV gets older, it naturally loses value. The age of an RV is one of the primary factors that affect its depreciation. 2. Condition. Regular maintenance, repairs, and upkeep all play a role in maintaining your RV's value. Neglecting maintenance can lead to rapid depreciation. 3. Market demand. The overall demand for recreational vehicles can impact their depreciation rates. Economic factors, popular trends, and consumer preferences all influence market demand. Now that we understand the factors influencing RV depreciation, let's explore its significance. RV depreciation can have both financial and practical implications for owners. Here are a few key points to consider. 1. Resale value. Depreciation directly affects the resale value of your RV. Understanding the depreciation rate of your specific model and taking proper care can help you maximize its resale value in the future. 2. Affordability. Lower depreciation rates can make RV ownership more affordable. Choosing a model with a slower depreciation rate can potentially save you money in the long run. 3. Upgrading or downsizing. If you plan to upgrade to a newer RV or downsize to a smaller one, understanding depreciation helps you estimate the potential loss or gain in value during the transaction. Now that you have a better grasp of RV depreciation, you can make more informed decisions when it comes to buying, selling, or upgrading your RV. Remember, staying proactive with maintenance and keeping your RV in excellent condition can help offset depreciation. Thank you for tuning in to Daily RV Life. We hope you found this article on RV depreciation insightful and educational. Stay tuned for more valuable content related to the Daily RV Life. Happy RVing! Your friends at Daily RV Life.